Alright, today we're going to talk about the ultimate local SEO cheat sheet. So this is meant for small and local business owners who are looking to rank higher on search engines like Google. Thanks for watching. My name is Matt Frederick, founder of Momentum, and this is another Momentum Monday blog. If you haven't seen them before, make sure you hit subscribe or follow. We're going to post these all over LinkedIn, social media, YouTube. So thanks for watching. Let's jump into the details. We're going to go over 10 different points for this ultimate local SEO cheat sheet. Alright, number 1, Google My Business. This is Google's free local SEO tool for small business owners. This is where you put like your name, address, phone number, all the information about your local business, whether it's retail or brick and mortar. You just go to business.google.com, fill out the information. If you haven't verified yet, you need to claim your listing and they'll mail you a postcard so you can verify your location and business. Now this tool actually allows you to rank higher on Google Maps or in local search results for people looking for your products and services. So make sure to completely fill out this profile for Google My Business. Download the app on your phone so you can manage it on the go. Make sure you get more reviews, add more content, fill out all the important information, and then we're going to talk about how that works to rank higher by doing some other things with that too. Number 2 is content. So content refers to publishing information on the internet, whether it's a blog or a video or a podcast or pictures. Specifically for local SEO, make sure you're posting content on Google My Business, which was number 1, where you could do like a Google post, you could post pictures, videos, virtual tours, or reviews, but also make sure you're getting content on social media and your website. So publishing local information about your products and services, optimizing it for the website and for SEO, and then posting and being active on social media too. All these things serve as content. Number 3 is page speed. Google really cares about how fast your website is, only because they care about the user experience for the people using your website, especially in mobile devices where it's almost 70% of all traffic is coming from mobile. So make sure your website's really fast and really friendly. You want to have it load in less than about 3 seconds. You can use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Pingdom to get like a free audit and review of how fast your website's loading. I'd say keep it between like 1.5 to 3.5 seconds. Number 4 would be mobile friendliness, making sure that website's optimized for mobile devices, smartphones, tablets, because people are using them constantly to look up your business and the information you're providing. So making sure it's mobile friendly, people can use it exactly how it needs to be used, optimized for them to use it, click buttons, click call numbers, fill out forms, and making sure it's fast and friendly and giving them a great user experience. Number 5 is reviews, especially important on Google. So Google reviews is one of the ways that I've been really able to increase my business and businesses that we've worked with, making sure you're really incentivizing customers to write you a review, following up with them afterwards if they have a good experience. Get them to write you a review. It is seen as content, it's seen as trust, it's seen as loyalty, and it helps you rank above your competition most importantly. But also, try to get reviews on sources like Yelp or Facebook. There's some other platforms that are more specific to certain industries, but do make sure you focus on getting reviews. Number 6, your local listings. Publish all your local listings. A local listing is essentially a local digital representation of your business, whether it's on like a directory source, just like how Yellow Pages used to be a thing. There's now Yellow Pages, but it's called, all these different types of websites, even Yelp or Google or Bing. Those are all seen as directories or local listings. So make sure you publish all your local listings all across the internet, making sure they're good, high authority websites to get an audit and an understanding if your listing's already published or not. I would suggest checking out Moz or Yext or even our partner with BrightLocal. They're great resources to put in your name, address, phone number to see if you're already on these local listings. There's aggregates that you need to syndicate your information to, such as Axiom or Superpages or Localese. These are great places to get started to publish these local listings. Number 7, make sure you optimize the local listings. This means putting the right, correct, relevant information across the board. So the same information that you're putting on Google needs to be on Yelp, needs to be on Bing, needs to be on Yahoo, needs to be on Facebook. It needs to be all across these local listings and directories. Now, some local citations and directories are industry specific, whether you're like a dentist or a contractor. There's certain directories for those websites. So just do a quick Google search, you'll see what I mean. Directories and citations for dentists, for example, you would search. But make sure, most importantly, the information you're putting first on Google My Business, which is the most important one if you want to rank on Google for local SEO, local searches, that same name, address, phone number, and all the content is going to be the same all across the other local listings and directories. It might seem counterintuitive because maybe you want to be strategic, but that's not the point. Google is scanning, crawling, and indexing these directories, and if they see all this relevance, talking about one business, they're going to understand that, okay, you are relevant, this information is correct, and it's optimized, and you guys are an existing business that people should go to. Number 8 is post to Google and social media. So in number 2, we talked about content. This builds upon that. So posting, content to Google, to Facebook, to Instagram, to all these sources is going to help, Google understanding from what it's called social bookmarking, that you guys are relevant, that you're posting, you're keeping your customers up to date. Google Posts, if you go in your Google My Business profile or on the app on your phone, you can actually post to Google just like you would post to any other social media network. So make sure you post to all these different social media pages and sites so that Google can understand you're active and that you're trying to be helpful and valuable to the people looking for your product or service. Number 9, optimize your metadata. What this means, metadata is basically like short snippets of information that Google sees first on your website. So if we're trying to rank on Google, we need Google to know who we are and what we do. Now your homepage is like the best place to start because that's where most of your traffic is going to go to. So optimizing your homepage title, telling Google in under 150 characters, I'd usually say, who you are and what you do, and then your description is what you see under that in Google search results. So that is telling them more about your business, your services, your offerings. Make sure you use relevant keywords about your products or services in the titles and descriptions as well, and make them attractive where people want to actually click whatever they're reading. So page titles and page descriptions are seen as metadata. Make sure you optimize your metadata. Last but not least, number 10, backlinking. Backlinking is essentially getting other sites and sources to link by a click back to your website. And you want this click to be a follow click instead of an unfollow click, where this traffic then is telling Google, okay, this website thinks this website is good or is referring to this website. By doing this backlinking, it actually helps build credibility and trust for your website. So it's like being invited to a very popular party by artists and influencers and musicians, and like having them say that you're cool too and you're invited to this party. So now Google's going to see you as being more important, having more authority, and going to essentially send you more traffic there. What you really want to do is build that authority. There's something called domain authority, DA, sort of coined and termed by Moz, which is a numbered ranking out of 100. So the more high authority sites point to your website, increase in authority and increased domain authority, which is going to help you rank higher both locally and nationally. So there you have it, the top 10 tips for the local SEO cheat sheet. I hope this was valuable. If you have any comments or questions, comment it below. If you have additional resources or things that I didn't mention, please also comment it below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow us online. And this has been another amazing video for Momentum Mondays blog. We'll see you next week.